Hi, today we're going to take a look at one of our newest databases here at the North Dakota State Library, Mango Languages. This video is going to go over how to sign up to use the database. You can find Mango Languages with the rest of our databases on the North Dakota State Library's online resources page. When you click on that link, you're taken to a page that looks like this. The site will state which organization you are with depending on the link you choose to get to this page. Because I clicked on the North Dakota State Library's link, it showed me that my organization was the North Dakota State Library. If you used the link from your public library, it would show your library. If you don't have an account yet, you simply click Sign Up. When you click Sign Up, you are taken to a Create Your Profile page. Here, you just put in an email and a password that you will remember. The email address and password you choose does not have to be the one connected to your library account. You are then taken to a data consent form. Click I agree. Once you have agreed to that consent, you are then taken to a page that says pick a language. You pick your language to start with. You can always add or take away languages once you have your account. This is the page that confuses many people. After you click your language, it takes you to a subscribe to Mango page. But wait, you went through the library link. Why are you taken to a subscription? It sends all sign up through the same thing, no matter if they go through Mango's website or a library link to the Mango database. When you see this page, don't freak out. All you'll have to do is click on Find Mango. The North Dakota State Library pays for access for all North Dakota public libraries. So you just click on Find Mango to find your public library. After you've clicked on Find Mango, you're taken to a page that asks you to unlock access to Mango. This is where you can put in your postal code for where you live, which is generally the easiest. You can put in your city, or you can put in the organization name that you think will have Mango. So North Dakota State Library, Morton Mandan Public Library, Bismarck Veterans Memorial Public Library, etc. When you put in the postal code, it shows the organizations that have access to Mango nearest you. Choose the library that you want. Once you click on that, you'll be able to unlock access to Mango. Click Connect to link your profile with your public library. Then you'll get a notification that says your profile is now linked, and you can click on Start Using Mango. After you've clicked on Start Using Mango, a page will open up to the language that you chose when you began to create this account. Again, you can change the language at any time, and you can remove a language that you are not enjoying learning. If you have any questions about Mango Languages or how to sign up for it, please send me an email at ndsltrain@nd.gov.